Welcome to Mr. Biography YouTube channel. This video is about biography of famous KPCC spokesperson and former Minister Priyank Kharge. Hope you will enjoy this educational-based video and share it with your family and friends. Priyank Kharge is a well-known name in the political landscape of Karnataka. He is a former minister and a current spokesperson of the Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee, KPCC. He has been an influential figure in the Karnataka Congress and has played a pivotal role in shaping the party's ideology and policies. In this YouTube video, we will explore the life, career, and achievements of Priyank Kharge. Priyank Kharge was born on November 22, 1978. Who is a prominent Congress leader and the former leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha. Priyank Kharge is a professional in design, graphics and animation, and has worked extensively for corporations in India and abroad. He is a keen observer of technology and has co-founded a few startups that have broken new ground in GIS-based solutions, mobile technologies and creating original IP for animation studios. After completing his graduation, Priyank Kharge pursued an MBA from the Sheffield Hallam University in the United Kingdom. He returned to India after completing his MBA and began his professional career as an entrepreneur. Priyank Kharge joined the Indian National Congress in 2009 and began his political career as the Youth Congress President of Kalaburagi District. He was later appointed as the president of the Karnataka Pradesh Youth Congress in 2011. Under his leadership, the Youth Congress in Karnataka became more active and vibrant, and Kharge played a significant role in mobilizing the youth in support of the Congress party. In 2013, Priyank Kharge contested the assembly elections from the Chittapur constituency in Kalaburagi District and won with a thumping majority. He was appointed as the Minister of State for Information Technology, Biotechnology, and Tourism in the Karnataka government. As the minister, Kharge introduced several innovative initiatives to promote IT and biotechnology industries in Karnataka. He also initiated the Innovate Karnataka program, which aimed to promote startups and entrepreneurship in the state. Priyank Kharge was re-elected from the Chittapur constituency in the 2018 assembly elections, but the Congress party lost the elections, and he had to step down as the minister. However, he continued to be an active member of the Congress party and was appointed as the spokesperson of the Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee. Priyank Kharge is known for his dynamic and innovative approach to governance and politics. During his tenure as the minister, he initiated several programs and schemes that had a significant impact on the IT and biotechnology sectors in Karnataka. One of his major initiatives was the establishment of the Center of Excellence for Data Science and Artificial Intelligence, CODESI, in Bengaluru. This initiative aimed to promote research and innovation in the field of data science and AI and provided a platform for startups and entrepreneurs to develop their ideas and products. Priyank Kharge also initiated the Elevate 100 program, which aimed to identify and support 100 startups in Karnataka every year. Under this program, selected startups received funding, mentorship, and other support services to help them grow and scale their businesses. Another notable initiative by Priyank Kharge was the Karnataka Biotechnology and Information Technology Services (KILOBITS) program, which aimed to promote the development of IT and biotechnology industries in Karnataka. Through this program, Kharge facilitated the establishment of several IT and biotechnology parks in the state and provided financial and other support services to startups and SMEs in the sector. Apart from his contributions to the IT and biotechnology sectors, Priyank Kharge is also known for his efforts to promote tourism in Karnataka. As the Minister of Tourism, he initiated the Tourist Mitra program, which aimed to provide a personalized and hassle-free environment to the nation. Priyank Kharge is a dynamic and highly accomplished political figure, known for his impressive leadership and advocacy skills. As a former minister and current spokesperson for the Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee, he has dedicated his career to serving the people of Karnataka, and has worked tirelessly to promote social justice, economic growth, and political stability in the region. Throughout his tenure as a minister, Priyank Kharge has spearheaded a number of groundbreaking initiatives and policies, including the creation of the first-ever IT park in the state, and the establishment of several world-class industrial hubs. His visionary approach to governance, coupled with his deep commitment to public service, has earned him a reputation as one of the most respected and admired politicians in the region. As a spokesperson for the KPCC, Priyank Kharge continues to be a powerful advocate for the people of Karnataka, using his platform to speak out on issues related to governance, social justice, and human rights. He remains committed to advancing the interests of the people, and to working towards a more equitable and prosperous future for all. Priyank Kharge's impressive career is a testament to his unwavering dedication to public service, his remarkable leadership skills, and his deep commitment to promoting the well-being of the people of Karnataka. He is a true icon of the Indian political landscape, and his legacy will undoubtedly endure for generations to come. Thanks a lot for watching our professional Mr. Biography YouTube channel. You can help us to promote our Mr. Biography YouTube channel by like, comment, share and subscribe Mr. Biography YouTube channel. Stay in touch.